You're just starting your new diet. You don't have to just give up everything and just go cold turkey, okay? What you need to do is find other options. Remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. You have to make some changes in your life, because if not, you're gonna stay where you're at. Or you're just starting a new diet, now you're sad because you can't have bread anymore. Well, don't worry about it, I got you covered. What I'm gonna do in this video is show you some of my go-to options when it comes to bread. Now let's all face it, bread is great, all right? But if we're trying to go lower carb, it's not the best option sometimes, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you some items that I like to use, and I'll also show you some of the things I like to put on top of the bread just to attack a sweet tooth as a easy snack, and that'll help get you to your next meal sometimes, okay? So let me show you some of the items I like to use. These are some of my personal favorites. I use them all the time. Let me know in the comments which breads you like to use that keep you on track. Now this first bread is great, okay? A lot of these breads have a lot of fiber in them, which is also a great thing, but have you seen these? These right here, these keto Hawaiian. Oh, come on now. These jokers are good. I mean, I'm talking about, they're so soft. If you've tried these, let me know, okay? If you haven't, go get you some. I'm trying to tell you, these jokers are good. All right, we're looking at here, one slice, 35 calories, 1 gram of fat, 9 grams of fiber, all right, in one of these, okay? And 5 grams of protein. Come on now, you can't beat, that's only one slice, all right? If you're trying to get more fiber in your diet, more protein in your diet, man, this is a perfect way, and these jokers are soft. Now, one thing I like to put on these, this right here. I talked about this before in other videos. This right here, go get you some of this. This 4 fruits jelly is hands down the best jelly out there. If you know a better jelly, you let me know. Let me know in the comments, but this right here, I haven't found nothing better yet. Now, you gotta measure it out, okay? I always say you gotta measure this out, because you'll mess around and eat this whole jar and wonder why you didn't hit your macros, okay? So this stuff is so good, all right? Put it in your yogurts, put it in your protein. So what I like to do with this, I just make a simple peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It is so simple and it tastes great. I'm trying to tell you, try that out. Next time you have a sweet tooth, go get you some good bread, get you some of this jelly, put a little peanut butter on there, measure that out too. Have you a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and I'm trying to tell you, that will knock out your sweet tooth and it'll get you full, okay? And it won't set you back too much on your macros. I'm trying to tell you, all right? Now, another thing I've been using lately is pitas. I've been putting grilled chicken in there. It's just pitas are amazing. I found these right here. Joseph's pita bread, all right? If you find these, go check them out, all right? These things are so soft. You don't even have to heat them up. They're just, they come straight out the package. You just put whatever protein in them you want, and it's good to go. I'm trying to tell you, you got to try these out, okay? These are really good. I've never had them before, and I'm always looking at new things to try. I grabbed some of these and I've been pleased. This is my second pack right here. Put your grilled chicken in here. Man, it tastes so good. All right, let's look at the calories. Okay, one pita, 60 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 7 net carbs, and 6 grams of protein. 60 calories, you cannot beat that. Okay, so let me know if you've tried these, or what is a pita bread that you like. I just love making things. You can make little pizzas if you want to. I mean, there's so many different options you can do with the pita, okay? You can slice it up, have it with hummus. Oh, pita bread and hummus is so good, okay? You can do that as well. Let me know how you like to have your pita bread and what kind of pita bread you recommend, all right? Now, I've talked about this bread a lot. I love this brand. I love this bread. One of my favorite breads out there. It's Sola, okay? Sola is great. If you can find Sola, go get you some, okay? Because you will not be disappointed. Do you like Sola? Let me know in the comments if you get down with Sola. It is so good, all right? So this is the sweet buttery flavor. So let's look at the calories here. So one slice of this is 40 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 8 grams of fiber, and 1 net carb. So come on now, you can't beat that. Same thing. You know what goes good with this? Bam! This goes great with it as well. I'm trying to tell you, you kind of see how what I'm getting to here. Get you some jelly, grab you some bread, sweet tooth gone. I won't lie to you, it tastes good, okay? So, but the Sola bread is great. If you can find Sola, try it out. Let me know what you think, okay? Next up is a bread I've used. I use it all the time. If I can't find Sola, then this is my go-to bread. I make grilled cheese sandwiches with it, peanut butter jelly sandwiches with it. It's great. This right here. If you know about this, let me know in the comments, all right? Look for this joker right here. Sara Lee Delight White bread. Come on now. I mean, if you know on white bread. This goes great with all kinds of stuff, okay? It is so good, so soft. If you can find this, get you some. Let's look at the calories. Okay, so one slice is 45 calories, 0.5 grams of fat, 3 grams of fiber, 6 carbs, and 2 grams of protein in one slice. This is amazing. All right, I'm trying to tell you, you can find this at most stores right here. The Sara Lee Delight White. Come on now, you can't beat that. You know what goes good with this? Bam! This goes good with it. I'm trying to tell you. All right, next up for burger buns. I've used these a lot. I've tried out a lot of them, and these have to be one of my favorites right here. Nature's Own keto buns, all right? Even if you're not keto, try these out. These are super soft, all right? I've tried different brands, and a lot of times they're not as soft, or they just don't taste as good. These are the best tasting ones I have found. Check the calories. Okay, one bun is 60 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 1 carb, and 9 grams of protein, all right? And this right here, you can't beat that. I've done the research for you. I've tried a bunch of different brands. This is one of my favorites right here. Hero is also another one of my favorites. I don't have any to show you, but if you know about Hero, let me know in the comments, because Hero is great too, okay? So, but go get you some of these, all right? Now, next up, if you're looking to make a pizza or a salad wrap or something like that, go check these out. Cut the carbs. If you're trying to, it literally says it in the name, cut the carbs. Come on now, you can't beat that. I've made flatbread pizzas with this, man, that are so good, all right? Okay, one flatbread, 100 calories, 1 gram of fat, 9 grams of net carbs, 9 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of protein. And one of these right here, you can't beat that, okay? You see these, check them out, try them out. If you're looking for something that you can make a homemade pizza with, that you can make at the house, that's low carb, higher protein, use this right here. I'm trying to tell you, let me know if you tried these. Cut the carbs, man, let's go. And finally, I know it's hard when you gotta cut carbs. I know, it's tough. One thing that's really helped me if I'm trying to watch my carbs is these right here, okay? Sola Bagels, all right? Because a lot of times breakfasts are full of carbs. These, one bagel only has 6 grams of carbs, all right? One bagel, and these taste amazing. If you know about Sola, you let me know in the comments. Also, what is your favorite flavor of Sola? They have different flavors. This is the cinnamon raisin. They have a blueberry, they have a plain. Now, the great thing about Sola, it has a lot of fiber. 29 grams of fiber in one bagel, okay? 29 grams of fiber, 14 grams of carbs. Come on now, you cannot beat that. If you're struggling to hit your fiber goals, just have you one of these, at least have you one of these a day, all right? Boom, you already got 29 grams right there. You can't beat that, all right? And you don't need to add anything on here. I always have these. I carry these in my vehicle with me. I carry these in a bag. A lot of times I have these right after the gym or before the gym. If I'm hungry, I need something quick, I'll have one of these, okay? A lot of times after the gym, I'll have my protein shake with one of these. I mean, come on now, you can't beat it, because you don't need to heat them up or anything. They're so soft. These are so soft, you can just have them straight out of this right here, all right? Try them out, let me know what you think. Do you get down with Sola? All right, so those are some of the options I had for you. Hopefully these options help you out, okay? Hopefully these options help you stay on track. If you're just starting your new diet, you don't have to just give up everything and just go cold turkey, okay? What you need to do is find other options, all right? So that you can kind of stay in your lane, but get rid of all that other stuff, all right? So just replace the stuff, and then you will see some changes, all right? Because remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. You have to make some changes in your life, because if not, you're gonna stay where you're at. And where you're at, you're not happy, all right? So what we're trying to do is give you some more options. And because we have to eat every day, right? We have to eat, and we wanna look forward to eating stuff. And that's what I try to do on my videos. I try to give you options to where you can hopefully look forward to eating the next meal or look forward to the next snack. Of course, getting your protein in. And so hopefully these ideas help you out. Let me know in the comments if it does. Let me know in the comments what some of your options are. What are some of your go-to options? And I'll definitely be on the lookout for them. I'm always shopping. I'm a stay-at-home dad of 3, so I'm always shopping. I'm always on the road. I'm always on the go. I'm always looking for quick, easy options as well to keep it as healthy as possible, and I can hit my goals. So I'm trying to help you do the same. And I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.